Hello friends, this video is showing how to do TIG welding on small bore pipes. Every industrial projects have a lot of small bore pipes and fittings such as oil and gas projects, fertilizer projects, power plant projects, etc. In industrial projects, engineers commonly recommending Tungsten Inert Gas welding, that is TIG welding. Prior to welding, all surface must be cleaned. All contaminations such as oil, grease, dirt and paint, etc. Grinding is the better option for surface cleaning prior to welding. For small bore pipe welding, usually using gap ring to avoid expansion and contraction weld crack. Then starting fit up with correct alignment as per isometric drawings. You can see in the video the alignment is ongoing. Alignment is very important before full welding. Now fit up completed. After fit-up completion, can proceed to full welding. Skilled welders are better for this kind of welding activity. Filler rod travel speed, torch swinging speed and arc distance are very important for good weld quality. Continuous checking of amperage and voltage is essential. In TIG welding, there is no slag inclusion defect because of no slag production. Argon gas is using for shielding, that is why no slag production. Instead of argon gas, we can use another inert gases also. Inverter type and transformer type welding machines are available. Argon is an inert gas. It is going to torch for shielding purpose. Some welding machines have water cooling facility to reduce temperature of torch and gases. Keep proper distance between tungsten electrode and parent metal to avoid tungsten inclusion defect. Quality of welding rod is very important. Different class and different size filler wire are available. Compared to another welding process, TIG welding is more quality and more expensive. Thanks for watching. For more technical video, please subscribe Malik's Cater Channel.